Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Man, we got another good one for you today. Listen, we're going to run to Walmart. We're going to buy everything we're going to use here at Walmart. We're going to up our hamburger game. It's the end of summer. We're going to push it up. Today, we're going to do Walmart Bison burgers. Watch the special sauce. Watch how we do it. These are going to be smash burgers, so hang tight. Okay, first let's start with our prep work. I'm going to take, this is a Vidalia onion, and it's, let's call it a small. I'm not going to need a whole lot because everybody's not going to eat onions on theirs. That's fine. So I'm going to take these. All I've done is cut the ends off, cut them in half, and I'm going to cut these like this. I'm going to make just little crescent moons, I guess you'd call them. I'm cutting them fairly thin to go on these smash burgers. There are my onions. Put them in the pan. See how small that is? It's going to be perfect for this. And the only other thing I've got left to do is I'm going to take, these are just dill pickles. These are little miniature pickles like this. I like these on my burgers and especially my smash burgers. See the little chips it makes? When I put it together, I'll show you why. The only other prep work I've got is to make up my sauce, my condiment that I'm going to put on these. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and about 1 tablespoon of sriracha. There we go. And I'm gonna take it and mix this up. This is good stuff. Might not be for everybody. Hey, you don't like it? Ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, whatever you want to put on your burger is fine. This is a little something I mix up to go on mine. All right, that's the prep. Let's get the bison out and we're gonna heat up the griddle. All right, check this out. This is just plain old Walmart ground bison. And I've used it before. It's pretty good stuff. Now this is a pound a package, okay? So this is 2 pounds. And what I'm gonna do is, that was nice. Let me get this box open. Get a sheet out. Turn the power on. Now what I want is I want 3-ounce little balls, all right? And let's see, how did I do? That's 2.5. Three. All right. 3 ounces is going to be that big. All right. All right. I don't want any pockets. Bison is pretty lean stuff. So it doesn't have a lot of fat in it. And I'm gonna make 3-ounce balls out of this. And the last one here, all right, these all came out very close to 3 ounces each. And I've got 4, 7, 10. I have 10 3-ounce balls. And I'll meet you over at the Blackstone.
Okay, well, here we go. We're going to dump a few onions off on this, get our onions ready. Now I'm going to take this liquid gold. This is beef tallow from brisket. And I really just want to brown them up good. Sometimes I cook them pretty done to go on these. And you see, I'm not really putting a ton on these because, as I said, not everybody eats onions on theirs. So I'm just going to fix a little bit. A little more tallow. Okay, that's our onion started. Put a little bit of tallow down over here. I'm going to take and spread it out good. I'm going to put 4 of my little 3-ounce balls down. And get my little piece of parchment paper. And flat. I want to grind them into the thing, but they're pretty flat. And there's our 4 patties. And we're cooking.
All right, we're gonna let these onions soften up just a little bit in this tallow. Oh, that's good stuff on top of that. Good stuff on top of that smashed burger. And on that bison. When you're cooking it, don't smash it down, whatnot. Just cook it till you see that come up through it. That's when it's time to turn it. SPG, Uncle Steve. Just a touch. Cuffing stuff approved. Gator shake. All right. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? let's take a little bit of cheese. All right, here's one. There's one. A little bit of onion oil. There's one. And the second one. A little bit of onion. All right, come on over to the table. I'll show you how I finish them. All right, last step. I'm going to take my condiment, and you can put this pretty heavy on this ciabatta bread. I'm going to put it on the top. I'm not putting it down here so it doesn't slide all over the place. These little pickles. Why did I use the little pickles? Same reason. This makes a bite. You get a bite of pickle in each bite you take out of your burger, and it doesn't slide all over the place. And there we go. That is a Walmart Bison smash burger. Actually, it's a double cheeseburger smash burger. And ain't nothing to do but me to go in. That's what I'm gonna do. That SPG is perfect with Bison. Uncle Stu, I'm gonna assume that's what you had in mind when you made it. Gosh, that's good. All right, the Bison smashed down, it's not as fatty as like 80-20, so you gotta be careful. You'll tear it all apart. I put cheese on it, that kept it together. It made for a perfect bite. That condiment that I made, oh my goodness, so good. Thanks for sticking around to see how these were gonna turn out. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe, you won't miss a thing. I'll have another video just for you down here. Hit that thumbs up, like, share it. None of that'll cost you a dime. Until next time, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.